mai, feel free to donate. Like I said, we do PayPal as well. If you like, Miss will take that as well. I just want you to give a nice round of applause for Hinewehi Mohi, Macy Dinka, and Rob Ruha, and also a big round of applause for Miss Kingy as well today. I'd like to just acknowledge me mihi atu ki ngā kaumātua tai mai tēnei aihahi. Without all of you coming along this afternoon, the occasion like this wouldn't have been possible. So proud to be a parent of a child who's coming to this school, and I know that's why you're here as well. And I speak on behalf of everyone here, Miss. If you need us, we are here. Hey, kia ora. just before we close off, we're actually going to ask our board chair come and say a few words. Kia ora.
Ngā mananga reo, tēnā koutou katoa. I'd like to say thank you all, especially E Toru, for your koha for today. It was free, Rob. But no, again, with when you get a phone call from Miss, all you can do is say yes. And we do thank our trio, not only for what they've done for us today, but how inspiring they are to the girls. And just like to thank them for that. You can see that the ladies are a product of St. Joseph's Māori Girls College. They're demure and they're so eloquent. And for the girls, I suppose I'm a passenger. I'm a husband of a St. Joe's girl and a father of current St. Joe's girls. So really, I'm just here for the ride. And but we do thank you so much for what you've done for us today and for the kura throughout the last few years. And our house is full of your music. And thank you very much, Rob. Thank you very much for your koha here today. Amen.
To handle that myself, not the girls, for obvious reasons. I was just thinking, you see they were so quiet. I think I looked around and everyone was transfixed. That was the reason why. And when they're quiet, it means that, their whole heart and soul are listening. And in a way I was disappointed that they were, particularly the girls, because yesterday one of the girls came up to me and said, "Miss, why do we have to wear uniform? When you go to concerts like this, you don't sit, you stand up and you jitterbug around like how Mr. Haka was doing at the awards the other night." So last night I thought to myself, oh dear, I better not compromise the uniform. So I sent the word out that the girls therefore can come in tidy mufti, and none of them stood up. But that tells you something. I think the whole audience, they were transfixed. And that was the word, transfixed. Kia koutou katoa, thank you very much for your presence. But wasn't it a lovely way to spend a Sunday afternoon? Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. And no one's given them any platitudes tonight to our MC tonight, or today, this afternoon. Mr. Hege.
I have to say, this is the great thing about Henare. He always does as his wife tells him to do. But one more vote of thanks to our sound people around the I'm going to put a plug in now for him, Preston and his wife. If you want sound people, call them. They have a very good, reasonable cost. Instead of you people going out and hiring the most expensive technies around the place, just hire Preston. Kia ora.
Kia ora, just Je m'appelle la nuit, parlez-vous français? It's just saying if you need someone who can speak French, I speak French. Just one more shot. No, it's been a pleasure being here this afternoon, and that's right. I'm just proud to be also a father of my daughter who goes here, and I'm too along for a while because my wife's here as well. She went here as well, and I do listen to my wife. I do. She said you better go along and tautua. On that note, me tui he mihi ki a koe e te rangasira hei whakakapi a tātou nei whakangahu tēnei pō matua. Te karakia.
Everyone stand for our closing hymn. Thank you.
Tia ki manaki a tawhaitia mātou, kia tūkaha mātou, kia tūpakari mātou I tēnei ahei, ahua ki ngā rā I mui o mātou hau. A whinatia mātou ki te whakatairanga, I ngā tau makatai homai ke koe ki tēnā, ki tēnā. Kia tae te whakatairanga I te whakapono o te tangata ki ako. Ko koe ne te kaihanga o te rangi me te whenua katoa, gloria ki toi ngā tapu. Amen. Kia pai te haere I runga I te huara. Kia tae pai koutou I o koutou marae kāinga I runga I te manaki tangata whaitanga o te tātou atu. Gloria, hallelujah, kia. Kia ora tātou katoa. Thank you very much. It was a wonderful afternoon.